Oh, which ball I look up in now? I go too fast, man. That's a problem. I go too fast. The band of red, my friend. Yo, watch your man. Come back. I hear me here, you know? I'm gone already. Bomba, watch out. You want to move on this, sir? See fire then, I think move on this, sir. But they can't go near that unless they have an extinguisher. They want to get some water or something. Bombard. Yeah, whole of the line, I burn up in them. You want to get some water? What's your man? Yo, move the car them. Move the car them, brother. Move the car them. Yo, move the car them. Move the car them. Watch out. Move the car them. Open the gate. Move the car them. Only open the gate so the car them can move. Nah, listen now, watch out. Move the car them. Hurry up and move the car. Watch out now, idiot them argue. I want the rotted. Make it burn up. Can you not listen? Watch out. Come here. Bomba. Yeah, the move. Oh no, they not move the car. Yo, the move the car. Yo, what the idiot? Yo, nobody know the car key them. Fudge stick. Why am I going up here? Yo, no move the car. I want them there. Where key there? No, son, no top panic. I'll move the car. Oh, stop panic. I'll move the car. Move the van first. Watch out, look how Stop panic and move the vehicle. Cause it take a 5 minutes for move the vehicle. A joke can I make? Bomba! What's that? Bullshit! Move the vehicle! Move the vehicle. Yo, move further than that. A gasoline, move further than that. Bomba! Chairman? Move further than that, idiot! A gasoline! Cha. Yo, stay far. Go so. Yo, no. Oi! Idiot! Bombat! Yo! Shaman? Yo, somebody call the fire department. Chairman? Oh man! Fudge stick. Shit! What you gonna stop? What kind of car was it? No, sir. Cha. Jesus, please. Yo, stop. Stop that car there. Let me see if you can go. Woo! Why don't put you in there? I'm not going near this. No, go there, so. No. Leave us, me. Got you. Yo, turn back here, brother. Okay, none of that I explode. Turn. No, then gone to hospital already. Bomba! What you say? Yeah, wall lick up and gone. Brother, you reach the gas tank yet, you know? You want to turn back? Yo, turn back, brother. Yo! Then call him already. Yo, that no reach the gas tank yet, no move back. Move back, you know, Bombarati. Move back. Alright, Tande. That no reach the gas tank yet, good. Move back. Lord God. Then now listen. Oi! What's that? Me hear when it licking up? That carrot? Me have been there ever since we come up here. Me hear since Silica, me same people them gone. Them gone to hospital, yeah. And mad people over there so nearly make for them car burn up to car, they now want to move for them car. Mad people. No. Should I know? I video everything for a long time. You never hear like boop. That's how it is. Less than 15 minutes and look what happened. To come from this way, man, me here and to speed run it corner, you know. Drag mark, there. No, no, I'm not see where lick up on. Fence in a dent. Brand new Chris car. Get on. I need the foam something. Don't move. Stand up there now. Stand up, don't move. Real my people. I foam to that because I gasoline that's any if stop the gas and for spread. I do it in candle still. Yeah, full tank of gas. Man, them just mash up. Eh? Well, the way my blaze me, I wonder how I go on. Can me hear it, you know? Me hear when my car boom. Man rims, man. Bomba. I'm gonna burn up a blasted light wire. What are you doing? Sand, Baka. Sand. Sand. Dot. Foam. Something. Yeah, I'll fling it, then fling it back on there because the water help to spread it. Sand, sand, sand. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Sand. Where the sand there? No come here without no sand. Where the sand there? And just spread the fire. That's all you guys doing. Spreading the bloody fire. See, instead get the exhaustion tank there. I go review it. See that? Yeah, yeah. See that? See that? See that? See that? Yeah. See have the tank there. Stop blaze up, sitting under this a baka. Jesus Christ. Stop it. Oh, then the man in a blaze run some. Go burn up yourself now. Go on now. See there. See there. Go on. Blasted idiot. No, yeah, go on corner and speed up. Idiot. You know, that's how people drive. That's how people drive. Man stop at the corner, yeah, blaze round the corner. For what? Exactly, you can't see around the corner, so what you blaze for? Music in the ears, man. Nah, listen, nah, see nothing else, man. Damn ass. All them should have come off a corner too. Yeah, should have come off a corner. I don't know why itch up on the corner for. Before you go over there, so come off. That's why you back of your vehicle rearing. No way itch up on corner about. You could have gone a long time, I don't know what you're turn up for. What's your video? Even if you have video, come over up on the next side then. No? I nearly get rearing a while ago, you not even notice. People are late to the party, man. Watch out, them just a come. Go on now, go get barbecue. It's on barbecue, man. Serve on different purpose. Who, your truck? Oh, my next mad one. I don't know where they get them sense from, you know, God no. You shouldn't park right there, so if I truck the right there, so you obscure the traffic from either side. Why take you if you just go right there, so which part the cash pad place there? Why take you? Just reverse and line the vehicle. I hope they not still make payments on the car there. That would mess up anybody. Worse if I want rental. Bombard. Hmm? Yeah, if I just say around first, it look like it make a 180 and go around there so. Yeah, because I come round like how the little idiot that come round a while ago. Me hear me no, me then I back room and me hear him. Me hear Gerks! Boom! Couldn't control the vehicle, man. That's a film problem. Couldn't control the vehicle, couldn't hold it the turn. Everything on? Oh, I breaking grab. Make your vehicle line itself. I panic then. Panic nearly kill them because they gone hospital. Them panic never nearly
You catch it, see?
nearly kill them mad people over there so too. They ain't an idiot. You know about 10 minutes it take them to move two vehicle. Two vehicle. About 10 minutes and the residents them a try to wait them up, wait them up, wait them up. Nobody now move. Damn it. Mad Boxer Street Faster.